What's up guys, Aaron here, back with another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install your iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, or iPhone 11 Pro Max into the OtterBox Defender Series case, so stick around. Welcome back, and let's get straight into the installation. Now for the removal of this case, you're going to want to grab a couple items. So first off, you're going to want to grab something similar to a credit card. And also you could grab something like a butter knife or a flathead screwdriver. And why not? Why don't you just use your Apple Card? So there's two different sections to this case, so let's go ahead and begin with removing the outer layer of shock absorbing silicone. Now to do so, you can see here that there is an edge and a lip right in between where the shock absorbing silicone meets the inner polycarbonate shell. This is where you're going to want to insert your credit card to help remove that outer corner of shock absorbing silicone. Now once you do so, you can make your way around the entire case, gently peeling back that outer layer of shock absorbing silicone from the inner polycarbonate shell. Now once you have that removed, you're going to want to turn the back of the inner polycarbonate shell around, and as you can see, there are designated arrows in specific locations where you're going to pop the case apart at. Now this is where you could use a butter knife or flathead screwdriver, however I'm just going to use my fingernail. Now you're going to make your way around those specific locations, popping the case apart. And after doing so, this is what you should be left with. So the next step is you're going to grab your iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, or iPhone 11 Pro Max and put it into the back section of the case. Next, grab the top section of the case and place it on top and push the two sections together and pop them in place. Now this is a really important step, so make sure you make your way around the entire case, ensuring that it's properly snapped together. Once you've done that, you can grab the outer layer of shock absorbing silicone and place that inner polycarbonate shell with your device inside of it. Next, you're going to make your way around the entire case, massaging that outer layer of shock absorbing silicone into the groove provided by the inner polycarbonate shell. And that's it. Now you've properly installed your iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, or iPhone 11 Pro Max into the OtterBox Defender Series case. Anyways guys, if this video helped you out and or you enjoyed the video, please be sure to drop a like rating down below and also subscribe to the channel to be notified of future content. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Aaron, and I'll see you guys on the next one.